crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and thanks for joining me for Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2025, day 20. Like, guys, where is the month going? Can you imagine in 5 more days? We're going to open Christmas. I just love old St. Nicholas. I am excited to see what Santa brought me this year. I am a true, absolute believer in Santa Claus. If you're not, that's your problem. But I absolutely love the old fat, snowy man with a big white beard. I think it's just awesome. So without further delay, let's jump in to see what Jenny and team has brought us for day 20. I have enjoyed the packaging this year. I love the snowflakes in that. There for a while, I was keeping them, and I'm like, what are you going to do with a number snowflakes? So now I'm just actually tossing them, which is a little disappointing. But this looks like we are getting a fabric panel into day 20. So let's open this up and take a look. This is kind of interesting. Oh, I think I may know what this is. Or I may not know what this is. What the heck? So guys, I am not sure. I will absolutely have to jump on to the channel with Missouri Star Quilt and see what they what the intention was behind this. There was nothing else in the envelope. Let me make sure there wasn't anything in the box that I missed. Still have Jenny's Christmas card in there. Let's see, day 23, 24, 25, 21, 22. No, so nothing else in the box. So this is definitely a panel. It reminds me of one of those panels that I bought that's been out that they're putting together for little zipper pouches and that you're doing. That's what I actually thought this was going to be, but there is absolutely no instructions on here. And I am not sure what the intent behind this was, but we'll see. So I will jump over on her channel and see. I can't say that I'm overly excited about it today because I'm not sure how this ties back into everything else, but we will figure that out. So guys, thanks for dropping in. I will definitely jump over and see what Jenny and the team are going to say about this for today. But we are on day 20. I mean, how exciting is that? So I hope things are going your way. I hope you're having an amazing week. And as always, until next time, happy crafting.